I won! I won the flower contest. Not first prize, but I won. I won a free trip. I didn't win the big cash prize, but I won a free trip to Medellin, Colombia for a flower design I submitted last year for the flower festival. Let me explain it to you. One of the flower decorations that are carried in the parade that just finished. They just had the flower festival, and a person actually carries this on their back. It represents the Sagittarius that actually carried all the flowers once a week down from Santa Elena down into the city for sale. These are the displays that they carried down the streets of Medellin for the parade. This one is spectacular. See if you can decide which one of those is my design. One of those is, see if you can guess. Let's go ahead and see some more Medellin and what I saw while I was on my free trip in Medellin. Some things are very spectacular and interesting. Some things, it's just normal life, but this is Medellin. Enjoy. Please subscribe, hit the button on the bottom right. Enjoy. Welcome to Medellin. This is the corner, one of the main corners where the metro crosses the main street. We're going to go ahead and walk through and see what we can see. Medellin, Colombia. There's one of the metro stations. The train just arrived. People can get up there. They can go and actually connect to the cable, the metro cable that goes to the top of the mountains all over the city. It's all connected. It's quite a system. The variety of the shops, appliances, hats, caps, clothes. There's a store for groceries, jewelry. One really cool thing about Medellin is they actually have bike paths, and you can see a guy with a motorcycle. If he's on the bike path, he's supposed to be walking the motorcycle. You can't ride it on the bike path. And the guy with the two bags, he's actually illegal too. He's not supposed to be walking in the bike path because the people have to then go around him. And they move their merchandise this way too with their bicycles. A chalk drawing. When it rains, it's gone. That's good.
En todas las marcas
More shops, more stuff to buy. Everywhere, everywhere. There are all the knockoff Nike, Adidas, all sorts of shoes. They're Chinese. All the knockoffs. Very cheap, but not the real thing. Ay, ay, ay. Hermosa. Ah, bueno.
We love you forever.
Welcome to Medellin.
Medellin.
Sí. The first church in Medellin, right here. El Centro in the park. This is the start of Parque Gordo, like this statue here. There's one, and there's more to come.
La mujer lo único que debe de hacer es cuando termina el periodo, ir a ver un pedacito de sábila, meterlo a la nevera y introducirlo después del periodo. Adiós lujo, adiós malos olores y todo. Lo mejor que hay. La mujer no puede utilizar nada de eso porque eso trae color.
Beautiful, renovated old church. Beautiful. Now there's quite a pair. Parque Gordo, Medellin. Yes, that's a bronze statue of a lady in the public park. Everybody needs to get their picture with the statues. Everybody gets there, everybody jumps up.